This was not spicy at all. It's not spicy. After trying kimchi, fish cakes, it's time to try a Korean food staple, Buldak noodles. It's finally time to try Samyang Buldak spicy chicken ramen. If you watched my recent video, I bought lots of Korean food, and today I am trying the famous Buldak Ramen. I had a choice between the Carbonara, the regular one, the 2 times spicy, and the cheese. I will let my nails decide which one should I try. I'm gonna take this one. Because my nails are pink, we're gonna go with the pink box. So today I am trying Samyang Buldak Artificial Spicy Chicken Flavor Carbonara Stir-Fried Ramen for the first time. I got 2 boxes. I am starving, but I think that for the first time I should probably try this one in case I don't like it. This is the 80 gram. And I'm gonna try it. Wow. Instant noodles, cup noodles weren't really part of my alimentation growing up, so I don't know much about them except for the fact that they're highly processed foods. I shouldn't probably eat this, but in order to live my own K-drama, I have to eat it. I haven't searched a lot about how to prepare it or how to eat it or how it tastes like because I want my reactions to be real and genuine. I think it's the perfect occasion to use my Korean chopsticks. Now this set of stainless steel Korean chopsticks from Yesstyle. I do have a Yesstyle code. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, so make sure to use it to enjoy extra discounts. I am starving, so let's go and try the artificial spicy chicken flavor. Wow. Oh. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I opened the lid halfway. I want to take the 2 packets inside. Oh. Ah, it's big, it's so cute. Ooh. This is the sauce, and this is the powder. So cute! Ah, carbonara with natural and artificial cheese flavor. So I got the 2 packets out. This is so cute! Oh, inside we have the noodles. Wow. I just drained the water and now it's time to add the sauces. Wow. Wow. Ooh, my god, that's a lot. Now it's time to add the sauce. Wow. Oh my god, it smells so good already. Oh wow. Look. The noodles are ready! Wow! Oh my god! This is my first time trying Buldak noodles. This is my first time eating with these chopsticks. Ooh! Oh, smells good. Let's try it! 잘 먹겠습니다. Okay. I see why people say it's spicy, but it's not that spicy. It's not like something painful. It's not painful at all, but it's pretty good. It's still good. 맛있어. It's spicy, but it's not painfully spicy, you know? It's enjoyable. Goodbye. It's so creamy. I like it. Honestly, it's really good. For the first time trying the Buldak noodle carbonara, it's okay, it's good. It's not like bad or anything. It's not spicy at all. I mean, you can see I'm like, you know, but it's not spicy at all to me. I can tolerate really spicy things, but this is not spicy. I mean, it's spicy for people who are really sensitive on the tongue, but I'm not sensitive. It's spicy, it's enjoyable, it's festive, it's good. I wouldn't say like it's so good, like oh my god, this is the revolution of the year, but it's good. Okay, I'm doing this, but it's not spicy at all. I'm so sad. I'm gonna finish this. I'm so hungry. It's not spicy. It's not spicy at all, okay? It's so comforting. I understand why people, they say that they eat this as a snack at night. Honestly, I'm sad that I'm finishing this now because I want more. I want more. If you are really hungry, I recommend the big cup because this is not enough for me. I want more. This is me eating my Buldak Ramen noodles with my Korean chopsticks. I am in Korea right now and I'm eating Ramyeon. I want more. I'm literally finishing the cup. I want more. I want more. I finished the whole cup. Oh my god, this was so good. So this was me trying Buldak noodles for the first time. It was spicy, but it was not the spicy like I was expecting. I would rate a 7 out of 10 for the taste. A 10 out of 10 would recommend this to my friends. For the spicy, I would rate it a 7 out of 10 if I'm being objective, but if I'm being subjective, for me, this was not spicy. This was not the spicy that I was expecting. I thought my tongue would burn. This was pretty enjoyable, to be honest. I liked it. I can feel the creaminess. It's really creamy. It's really enjoyable when you rub the noodles in your mouth and it's hot. It's so comforting. I do understand why people eat this as snack or as a comforting food because this is so comforting and I want more. I think I might be addicted to it. Like after one taste, I want another one. I lived my K-drama dream of eating ramyeon with Korean chopsticks. Let me know which Buldak ramen you want me to try next. Also, let me know if you have tried the Buldak Ramen and if you have tried the Carbonara. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What do you think about it? How would you rate it? The taste, the spicy level, and would you recommend this to a friend? And would you eat this again? Watch this video next if you want to see me try kimchi, fish cakes, and Korean food in general for the first time. And I see you there.